Alright everyone, it is Apple season and today we are starting it off nice and simple with the new AirPods Max. I am so excited as you could hear, and we are having a bunch of products coming in. We got the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation right over here. We got the Apple Watch Series 10 right down there. We have all the iPhones, all the cases, all the goodies that are gonna be coming here on the channel. But today I want to start it off nice and simple with the first video. We are going to be checking out the AirPods Max. Now, we already checked out the AirPods Max in a previous video linked right up here, and the only thing that changed with these new AirPods is one, the color, and secondly, the connection. And what do I mean by connection? Are you guys maybe thinking, ooh, there's new Bluetooth technology, there's new like listening modes and stuff like that? No. You know the only thing that changed? It's not even showed on the box. It's right back here, like right under here. It's the USB-C. That's the only thing that changed on these guys. And even the price, it's still the same, $779. And to think that some people have the old version of these and they're still gonna upgrade because of the color and the USB-C, it's crazy. But it's Apple, it's Techtember, it's iPhone season. We're excited nonetheless. This morning, I woke up nice and early to go pick all these goodies up, and I brought in the Starlight AirPod Maxes. Now this is the brand new color. Apple also has the blue, the purple, the midnight, and the orange. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like me to check out these colors. But let's see what it looks like in real life. These are the AirPods Max with the smart case. So we're gonna take off those two tabs right over there. Beautiful. And then the bottom one. Awesome. Always so satisfying. We're gonna flip that right over. And moment of truth. There's a big air pocket in that box. There you are. The AirPod Maxes in the Starlight color. This is what they look like. This is beautiful. So excited. They come in this usual Apple packaging. Well, that was great. We ripped it. And there you are, the AirPods Maxes with that smart case. Now, this is the new Starlight color. You have the ear cup protectors that we're gonna throw right there. And there you go. What do you guys think? They're literally the same exact thing. Difference? USB-C. That is the color. It's really giving like natural titanium or desert titanium vibes from the new iPhone 16 Pros. It's interesting. I kind of like it. Me personally, if I was gonna get a pair, I would have said I would have gone with the midnight, but honestly, I'm getting the Desert iPhone 16 Pros, Pro Max probably in the Desert Titanium color. That's gonna be my daily driver, and I would for sure rock these, like especially on trips, plane rides. You know, these look nice, I'm not gonna lie. So you can see that we have the left ear cup right in there, the right ear cup right in there, and the band itself kind of matches. The meshing at the top of the headband matches the meshing on the ear cups. The ear cups are obviously removable. Nice little magnet right there. Awesome. Just like so. And then the outside of the AirPod Maxes themselves, they're kind of like this gold, as I said, desert titanium vibe. In all honesty, these look great. I love them. $779. They're Apple, they're premium, they're great headphones. We already did a review on these. I just wanted to do a little unboxing, first impressions, see how the color actually looks like in real life. What do we get inside of the box? Do we get Apple stickers? No, we don't. This year, you know, even with the iPhones, we are not getting any Apple stickers. Goodbye to those. They were nice while they lasted. And that's exactly why I have a collection of them, because I knew this time would come. Designed by Apple in California, the usual. And at the bottom, we have that USB-C. Let's go, guys. It's 2024. Apple should have done this. But look at that. USB-C. Beautiful. Now, there are two things that I will respectfully diss about Apple right now. Tim Cook, if you're listening, I'm sorry, but you probably aren't. Guys, whoever designed these Apple Maxes, or these AirPod Maxes, I should say, Apple Maxes is crazy. But whoever designed these things, come on now. You have the possibility of making this USB-C cable the same color as the AirPod Maxes. We are paying $800 for these things with tax included, and we do not get a nice cable? Like, come on now. I get it's braided. MacBook, Silicon, M1, M2s, well actually the M2s, they came with a braided MagSafe cable for charging. So it's not that much harder to get a braided USB-C cable to match our AirPod Maxes. I mean, some people might say like, why not just keep it white? That way it's like all universal and matches all your other cables. Guys, you could go pick up a white cable off of Amazon for like dirt cheap if you really wanted to. It would be nice. It would just make it unique, you know? If they did with the Mac, they could also do it with the Maxes. That's a tongue twister. Now, second thing, don't think you get let off the hook, Apple. The second thing, all right? I love you, Apple, if you're listening, but come on. Just like MKBHD said, matter of fact, roll the clip.
Apple, AirPods Max team specifically, what have you been doing for the past 4 years? I'm curious.
Literally, what have you guys done? You guys were like, and I know I'm repeating myself from Marquez, but literally during the Apple event, I was thinking the exact same thing. What have you guys done? You guys looked at a color palette and you guys were like, not that, this. That's what you guys said. You guys said Starlight, and it looks awesome. Don't get me wrong. I love it. It's my favorite color. Props to you guys. And then you guys were like, what else could we add? Oh, obviously we should add USB-C. It's 2024. And what happened? Signed off. That's it. That's it. No sound quality, no design change. I mean, the design is kind of nice. The ear cups, like you guys could have done some changes with the ear cups, you know, make them a little bit more ergonomic, stuff like that. Added some more sound quality, more Bluetooth connectivity. But hey guys, it's all for jokes. This is the little unboxing and first impressions. These are my first impressions. Like when it comes to Apple things, I have a lot of opinion and I shared it to you guys because you guys were like, hey, first impressions, unboxing, let's hear your thoughts. These are my thoughts. If you're an Apple fanboy, just like I am, get the AirPod Maxes. They're a nice color. They got them in blue, purple, midnight orange. They're expensive. Are they worth it? I mean, it's Apple. It's nice. They got a nice case. It's kind of more beige. It kind of matches, you know, the outside, the silicone over here, which is pretty nice. And you know, they come with USB-C. It's nice. It's new. Why not? If you want some premium headphones and you got the money for it, I highly recommend. Anyways, it has been Alex from Techrific back again with another video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts. Do you guys agree with what I said about the AirPod Maxes? Let's go. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, where we keep the discussion running. I keep you guys updated with all the behind the scenes things that are going on with the Apple event, the iPhone season, and stay tuned for all of these coming videos because it is Techtember, guys, and we are coming with a bunch of new content. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video.